Okay, on this one, we're going to use the LCM to clear the denominators on these these rational expressions here. And this is one of the steps we need so we can solve these rational steps later. So let's go and learn how to clear these denominators. So first thing, we want to find the LCM of the denominators, 7 and 2, and that's going to be a 14. We'll then take this 14 and multiply it to each numerator. Okay, now before I multiply anything, I'm going to reduce where I can. So 7 goes into 14 twice, 2 goes into 14 7 times, and you can see that I've effectively gotten rid of my denominators, and that's the whole point. We want to clear those. So now let's do some math in our numerator and kind of simplify it down. So we get 2x plus 3x times a 7, and then we'll keep moving it down. So 2x plus 21x, and that's going to equal 23x here. All right, so next one, again, find the LCM. So let's go to 11. So here we have 20x squared on the bottom and 5x. So again, the LCM for 20 and 5, I'll do the numbers first, is 20. And then we want the biggest variable with the power, so x squared. I'm going to take that 20x squared and multiply it into each numerator. Okay, now remember these binomials stay together, so we'll put parentheses around them. Okay, again, before multiplying, let's simplify everything. So the 20x squareds actually end up canceling out. Okay, now the 5 goes into 24 times, and then the x cancels out one of the powers from the x here, leaving just a single x. Okay, let's rewrite everything. We get x plus 3 minus 9 times 4x. Okay, let's multiply that negative 9. So we get x plus 3 minus 36x. Then we can combine like terms with x and negative 36x. And we're going to get a negative 35x, and then the plus 3 by itself. Right there. Okay, let's do one with the GCF. Here on the bottom, we can go ahead and factor out a 3, and we're going to get x plus 8. Okay, so this LCM is going to be 3 times x plus 8, using the biggest denominator. And then we have an x plus 8 over here, so it's satisfied. So let's take that. We're going to multiply 3 times x plus 8 to each numerator. Again, these are grouped together. And 3 times x plus 8 here. All right, simplify before we do anything. So x plus 8's cancel. All of these cancel here. And then we get 3 times 7x minus 2 plus 6x. All right, let's keep going. So we get 21x minus 6 plus 6x. And then we're going to get a 27x minus 6. All right, and let's go all the way down to the last one. This is for the toughest one. Erase that answer. Okay, find the LCD. So since these are different, remember, they're grouped together. This is going to be x plus 7 and an x plus 2. All right. So we're going to multiply an x plus 7 and an x plus 2 to each one. And sometimes I got to tilt it up just because it's too big. All right, so let's simplify. X plus 7s are gone there. The x plus 2s are gone here. Let's rewrite what we got. So we got an x plus 2 times 4x minus an x minus 7 times an x plus 7. All right, so we need to distribute the 4x into each one here. I know it's behind, but it doesn't matter. So we're going to get 4x squared minus 8x. Okay, let's go ahead and FOIL first and then distribute that negative. So minus, we're going to have an x squared, then x times 7, so plus 7x. Then negative 7 times x is minus 7x. Then negative 7 times plus 7 is negative 49. Okay, which is really just a difference of squares. All right, so let's go ahead and clean up a little bit here in the parentheses. So we'll take, go this way. 4x squared minus 8x minus x squared. These 7x and x's are going to cancel out. We're going to get minus 49. All right, so we're going to continue. 4x squared minus 8x. Distribute this negative in now to there and there, which will just change the signs. So we'll get minus x squared plus a 49. Okay, so let's combine our x values and our x squared. So we got 2x squared values. That's going to be a 3x squared minus 8x plus 49.